I'm going to walk you through how you're going to approach the stock market using technical analysis. And I'm going to show you how to learn all this stuff because you can use it both in the US stock market and in the Nigerian stock market. Before we move on, my name is Investor Joe and you are welcome to the Financial Edge. So we are starting with TradingView because you need these two if you actually want to make money in this market. You don't want to follow your heart, you want to follow the chart. A lot of people follow their heart, and that is why they always sell at the wrong time. So this video is dedicated to help you approach this market, both markets, so to speak, both the Nigerian market and the stock market, that's the US stock market, using technical analysis. Right here, you can see we are here in the trading view. What you want to do, you want to sign up. I've already signed up and you can see my name here. So I think if you are using Facebook, if you are using TikTok, or if you're using any of these that I mentioned, you should be able to sign up using TradingView. So you can check the link and ensure you use the link to register so that you can start doing some analysis, because there are some key tools I will introduce you to that will actually help you, and until you registered you cannot actually explore these two. So what we're going to do, we'll just log in. So you can see this is the chart. This is First Bank Holdings. So you can see this is First Bank Holdings. So you can see what is going on here. So I'm going to walk you through every step, what you need to know about this. Just on few, because we might not want to take too much. I just have to show you some important ones so that you get started immediately. So the first thing I want to show you is this part. This is the part that you need to choose your cursor. You either want to use the cross, you want to use the dot, or you want to use the arrow, or you want to use the eraser, you want to use the magic. So any of these depends. For now, I'm using the cross. That's why you can see my cursor that is showing cross. If I come here and choose dots, you see I'll be having stuff like this. Then if you come here and say I'm using arrow, you see I'll be having arrow. Then if I come here and choose this for erase, this to erase, and this for, so any of these I like using cross so that I'll know what I'm doing. So you can come to this part also. This is trend line. So we have trend line, we have ray, we have EFO line, we have extended line, we have trend angle, we have horizontal line, we have horizontal ray, we also have vertical line, and we also have cross line. So if you come down, we have channels, we have parallel channels. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use all these tools. We have regression, trend, we have flat top and flat bottom. We also have disjoint channel. We also have pitchfork. We have skiff pitchfork. We have modified skiff pitchfork. We also have inside pitchfork. So these are some stuff you will find in this trend line. So this is trend line, and we come to this part where we have the Gann and Fibonacci 2. So if you come here, you see we have Fib retracement, we have trend-based Fib retracement, we have Fib channel, we have Fib time zone, we have Fib speed resistant band, we have trend-based Fib time, we have Fib circle, we have Fib spiral, we have Fib speed resistant arc, we also have Fib wedge, we have pitch fan, we also have Gann boss, we have Gann square fixed, we have Gann square, we have Gann fan. A lot of these tools we're going to walk through together. The most important thing about all these tools is for you to be able to actually maximize any of which. So a lot of them are doing the same thing. So all you need to do is just to master one and use it. So as we continue to review most of these stocks in this channel, you will see how I implement most of these tools. So we also have this area here, which is geometric. So we have the brush, highlight, arrow master, arrow makeup, markup, arrow markdown. We have rectangle, and we have all others. We have pitch, we have circle, we have ellipse. So a lot of them in this area. So all I want you to do after watching this video, click the link in the description and register, and we get started. So you just have to practice all what I'm currently showing you. So we also have the annotation tools. So here we have the text, anchor text, note, price label, call out, table, and all stuff like that. So YouTube, you come and do this. Then we have emoji, we have different kinds of emoji you can use to put on your chart. You know, it depends on what you want to become. You can become a chartist, you know, and you do a lot of things and confuse yourself and confuse those who are watching your charts. And but if you can understand it, fine. But if you don't have to confuse a lot of people. So one thing I just want to walk you guys through is what I'm doing right now. So if you come to this top, this is where you want to pick the ticker symbol you're going to search. Maybe you are searching for US stock, or let's say you are searching for Meta. You come to this place, you click Meta. So Meta is Facebook. So Meta platform. So you can see we have Meta platform. So you want to click on Meta platform. So this is Meta for you. Meta is actually doing well. This is massive, guy. Don't forget that Meta was once 110, $120, and now you're sitting almost 5x. So you can see, and Meta is not showing any sign of slowing down as they continue to expand. The stock continue to shoot up. This was the best time to buy Meta. This was when it was 100. I actually encouraged someone to buy at this point. The person was just a friend, and it happened the person actually sold because the person could not withstand some few dip. So that is investment for you. So this is Meta. This is formerly Facebook. You can see how the share price is doing. So that is how you want to do it. So this area here is if you want to compare, two ticker symbol. Maybe you want to compare Facebook with S&P 500, or you want to compare First Bank with NGS 30. So any of which you'll be able to do it here. So we also have time frame. So when you come here, you have a lot of time frame here. So you choose the one that you frequently use, so that this place will not be unnecessarily long. So for me, you can see what I frequently use. I use 30 minutes, I use 1 hour, I use 4 hours, I use daily time frame, I use weekly, then I use monthly. So anyone I want to use, I still come to this place. But frequently, these are the ones I actually make use of. So you come to this place where we have different kind of candles. You can decide to use bar candles. You can decide to use hollow candles. You can decide to use volume candles. You can decide to use line. You can decide to use line with marker steps. You can use area. You can use HLC area. You can use baseline. A lot of them, guys. A lot of them. You can use Raco. You can use line break. You can use Kagi. A lot of them. You can make use of them. Yeah. So that is candles for you. So we have indicators also. So we have some premium indicators I will introduce to you, and just in case you want to up your game, you can come here and actually make use of them. So these are where you get the indicators. You can see indicators, metrics, and strategies. So that is where you want to have them. So if you come to this place, you can also save indicator template. You can also open template. So in this part, we have what we call alert. So alert is very, very key when you're taking this thing serious, when you are not just doing it for fun, but you're trading it as business. So alert gives you that opportunity to set the price you want to go into a stock. And as soon as the price hits that's your price target, it's going to send you an alert. It's either email or SMS or anyone you choose. So it's going to send you that alert to let you know that it is time for you to buy. So we also have replay also. Replay help you to actually do some analysis. For example, when Facebook get to this part, you can say, okay, you're very sure that it will go up. So you can come to replay. Let's say you are teaching someone and you come and put it here. And once you put that line here, for example, say we are choosing this area now, all this area will clear up. So until you press play, that is when all this will pop up. So it's good when you're teaching someone or when you're back texting, trying to see how effective your strategy is. So that is when the replay is effective. We also have you can undo, and you can also redo. So these are the two areas. So yeah, you can come here and see what I've saved here. So you see I have a lot of things here. So you can save layout, you can auto save sharing, You can rename, you can make a copy, you can export chart data, you can also create a new layout. So these are the stuff you can do. So this area here, you can quickly search for any of the tools that you're looking for or any areas you are looking for. So you can also come here and go for settings. Here you can go full screen, everywhere will be large. You can see, in case you see people doing analysis and their screen is full. So this is how they are doing it. So how do you come back? You just click escape and you're back to normal, or you come and click this place and you're back to normal. So we also have here, you can, maybe you see some people sharing chats and you see the name of the ticker or the stock they are sharing. You can come here and click it and you get a snapshot of whatever you're showing. So you come to this place, you put stocks you are watching, you put them on your watch list. As you can see, I have few here. I have First Bank, Fidelity, and the rest. So all those things I was trying to click then. So how to create alert and all that, I think I've shown you guys. Indicators also. These are indicators. We have technical indicators. We have financials. We have community. So the financials is where you see income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and statistics. So everything is here. So if you want to practice it, so you need to click all of this. So if you come to this part, you want to look at this part is to close and to open also. So this area is also alert. If you want to set alert, you can see you can come here and create alert, and everything will be set for you. So why this area here is for object tree and data window, so you can actually get some few details about some of all these stock here. So we also have options. We have screeners. These are options. We'll also be trading option also. We'll be doing call option. We'll be doing short options. You see, we see short call, doing long put, short put. So all that. We're going to do all that in this channel. So we also have screener. You want to screen to know what is going on. You want to choose based on volume, analysis, most capitalized, and you can also do based on yield when we are doing deep research. So I think I'll do another video on all this. If you're interested to know all this, you can actually check the description. You see a link to my course where you'll be able to master all of this and start minting your own money. So this is what you need to do. So I think with this, I've given you a brief overview of how to approach TradingView based on technical analysis. So what we are going to do, we are going to look at how to actually modify our candlestick like this. For example, on a normal chart, you will see green and red. But because red has a way of affecting a lot of people while trading, so I like using this color because the red and green makes no sense. The bottom line is you are making money. If you are making money, you are good to go. So this the black candle represents red candle, so it means that the stock is actually coming down, while the blue also shows that the stock is actually going up, so which is supposed to be green candle. So how do I change this? You come to settings. From settings, you come to symbol. So these are the body of the candle. You can see I said the body should be blue, the wick also, and so you can choose the wick to be a different color depending on what you want, and you can just design it. But me, with this, I'm good to go. I actually understand it fully. So you can come here and change a whole lot of things. So I put it here so you can see it how it works. So this is it. This is your candle. So this candle is letting you know that the stock is going up, while this is telling you that the stock opened here but could not push above this, then it closed, push down to this place, then it come to this place. So most of this candle tells you that it's actually indecisive, like this candle is rare. So this is telling you that I can't tell you if you are going up or down. You understand? The bull and the bears, they are here to decide. So because of a lot of things happening in the world, that's why we are getting some of these candles. So by Monday, you'll be able to see how this is going to perform. So that is some few points you need to know. So what we need to know, there is something we call support and resistance. We're going to look at that, and I'm going to show you also how to create an account. In case you don't have a trading account, you check the description, see how you can get started. You either use Lead Capital if you want to trade the Nigerian stock. That is the app I use in trading my Nigerian stock, and you can also use Chaka for foreign stock. That is what I use. In subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to actually use Chaka, how to deposit and how to withdraw, and how to place trade and all that. We are going to do that together, and we might also start a portfolio. Maybe we'll do a portfolio of $100 a month, or $200 a month, $500 a month. We'll continue to build that portfolio. But I have a private portfolio which can only be seen by those that join my private community. So if you join my private community, I'll be able to show you my portfolio and what I'm buying and what I'm selling. So the only advantage you have here is if you are a member in this YouTube, if you join my membership in this YouTube, you're able to see behind the scene of most of those videos that I'll be analyzing my portfolio. So you see it first before those in the public will see it. So, and I also post some private videos there also. Maybe I'm buying some stock and I don't want other people to know. I'll post it as a member, so you get that opportunity to know what is going on. So that is how we are going to flow. So in other words, those who are watching for free, we also get value, and those who are able to pay money, who are able to commit, who are able to trust my call, we also get benefit. So those who did not pay will get it maybe late information, and sometimes the stock might still be in the entry price, and those who pay will also get early and get reasons and details why we are going in. So that is what I just said I should explain to you. So let's put some of these tools to work. So let's say we want to analyze these based on short time frame. We're just going to deal with just this one that we're seeing, just this area that we are seeing. So if we want to put our resistance line here, we'll come to this place, like I told you, trend line. We'll come and pick horizontal ray. So ensure we start from this point. So start from this point. So don't forget, you can change the color of this. Let's change it to black. Okay, let's change it to black. So you can put it here, and we'll come here again and click it, and let's pick this area. So from this, you see that we sideline every action here, and we focus on this area. So we've seen that here always serve as support and here always serve as resistance. But for us to get a full play of what actually play out here, we might want to go for the 4 hours. So the 4 hours is giving us what has actually played out. So you see, after leaving this area, we move to this point, and there's a pullback, then a little bit of jump, they pull back here, then we have another push to this place also. So once we get to this place, there is another resistance, and down another strong resistance. So question, are we expecting it to come down? So you don't have to be biased based on maybe what you want. You just have to watch it. Now you cannot buy because you don't know if it's breaking out or coming down. So if you come down to this point, you can see if great, you want to go in to see if the trend will continue. So just using this to explain to you how the tools work. So this is horizontal ray. We use it to get our support and resistance. So I'll take this off, and let me just explain 2 things for you. So what I want to explain, I want to show you once you hear uptrend and you hear downtrend. So that's downward trend and upward trend. So as you can see, this is our daily chart. So what is upward trend? So let me show you what is upward trend. So you can see this is an upward trend. So upward trend will give you a higher high and a lower high. A higher high, a lower high, a higher high, a lower high, a higher high, a lower high, a higher. So that is what we call uptrend. So let me look for downward trend. Let me check First Bank. So this is First Bank shares, and let's look for a downward trend. That should be before the Nigerian president said subsidy is gone. So I think we should. So just to give you an insight of what I'm looking for, previously I showed you higher highs and lower highs. So now what I want to show you is lower highs and lower lows. Okay, you can see it here now. So you can see it here now. So this is a downward trend. You can see this is a downward trend. You can see this is lower highs and lower lows. You can see it here. You can see this is lower highs and lower lows because it's not above this. Same thing happened here, lower highs and lower lows. This is below this. So that is what a downward trend is. So we only have three types of trend. We have this upward trend, downward trend, and the other one we call it a ranging market. So if you want to see a ranging market, a typical ranging market, if you check the all share index. So this is the all share index, and if you look at it very well, you see that we are actually ranging in this area. So let me just draw the box so that you understand what I'm saying. So let's come to this part. No, the box should be this area. No. Okay, so in this kind of market, we say the market is actually doing what? The market is ranging. So this is where we say the market is going sideways. So it's going up, down, no clear direction. So at this point, a mini breakout, and now we are close to this resistance here. So, and I told you how to draw the resistance line. You come to this part, horizontally, and you pick it here. So you can tell that the resistance has been broken, but not fully. So this is what the share index is all about. So this is just a brief overview. Also show you most of these tools I talked about. You can also make them show up in this area by clicking the favorite button. So if I come here and click horizontal, if I click it, it's going to pop out here. You can see it. Then if I come to this place and click this box, it's going to pop up here. So you can make all the tools that you frequent to pop up here so that you can just pick them from here. You can just align them here and you can pick them here and use. No need to go and search in this area. So but for now I don't want to do that. So I have a detailed course that actually show you how to use this in details. It's even up to an hour. So imagine if these few minutes you're able to get this knowledge, then imagine when you watch an hour. I've not even shown you how to screen. We have screener here. In the video I talked about, I actually give details on how to screen. So you come here, you can do a stock screener, you can choose the trading panel you want to use. You can see for these it's just most of the crypto. This for forests, this for forests, and this for paper trading. So you can actually paper trade. You don't have money, you can come here and do paper trade. And we also have crypto PS screener here also. So we have a whole lot of them that you can actually make use of, but that's not what we are here to do. Just want to show you some few things. So you're interested in learning this, becoming an expert, becoming a chartist, and whereby you print money every week. Today, maybe you have 5 million in your account, or 1 million, or 100,000. You can say, this week I just want to make 20%. And with your chart and with what you've seen me do, you can just come to the market, buy one stock, and with your 100,000, before you know, you make 20%, that's 20K. You go out and touch grass. Or with your 1 million, you make 200,000. Or with your 10 million, you make 2 million naira. I just dropped multiverse in my community when it was 10, and I encourage people to buy, and today multiverse is approaching 15. So that's like 50% from my call. So imagine making 50% is from just last week, just a week, and that's massive. So these are the things you'll be able to get. So you can also click the link to join my stock service society. This is where I talked about foreign stock and Nigerian stock for just a token. So with a token, you are there and we can start making money together. So guys, I hope I've been able to put you through on what you're going to do based on the technical analysis part. And the next video, I'm going to show you where to get fundamental earnings from companies, how to get their earnings, and also we're going to look some few interpretation on what to check so that we know if they're a good buy or not. But don't forget, in my course I have a separate video that talks about income statement, interpretation and application, and I talked about, there's another video for cash flow, and there's another video for balance sheet. So these 3 videos are key if you want to become an expert in this market. So these are the stuff that I use to ensure that I also make money, and to ensure that those in my community also make money. So if you want to book a one-on-one with me, check the link also, book a one-on-one section with me. Let me discuss your portfolio with you. Let's draft a strategy so that you can get 100% in a year of your portfolio. That's minimum guarantee, guys. 100% a year minimum that your portfolio will give you as a return for a year if you follow my guidance, if you hit me up in my one-on-one section. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until we see again, keep growing wealth without tears. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.